Hi everyone, welcome to AeginaCraft. This is the video where I wrap up the construction work. So I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing in the last 20 days or 20 days or so, and celebrate it together. And so let's go. So we had, let me just, there you go, 0.6. So I replaced all the render on the wall, replastered it, treated it, finished it, painted it several times. Took me fucking ages, but now it's something I am actually pretty proud of. This is how it looks. This is Rose's driveway. I need to replace this gate because ew. And then we walk in here. I'll try to do a good job on my rendering. I didn't finish that part up because these tiles have to go back there. So I was like, let's just leave it there. Tyler's gonna fix it. This one is sorted. This wall is rendered. The gap in the wall fixed. And basically, just done the whole thing. I'm not gonna walk upstairs, but basically I did the exact same thing upstairs on the first floor as well. And guys, I mean, this was supposed to be a 10-day job. This was supposed to be an easy, quick, get in, paint everything, get out. Ooh. Kitty. Time of his life. Sleeps like a little angel. Anyway, where was I? So this was supposed to be a 10-day job and it turned into a 3-week full-time saga. But from now on, I'm gonna have smaller projects for the rest of the year, which means we're gonna go get back to woodworking, resin working, crafting. We're gonna have normal crafting videos on the channel, not just these, hey, I've been here, I've done that, and this and that. It's actually gonna be structural stuff, actually gonna be interesting stuff. Thank you very much, guys, for hanging in, and thank you for being here for me. And this is just a short video, really. Now I have to go home, clean everything, sort everything out, tidy everything up, make sure all the tools are oiled and taken care of, and make a bunch of invoices. And funny story, I sit down here on the other corner, and he saw me doing some work on the site, and he came up to me and he asked me, can I come over and quote his house? And well, you see, I'm not hurting you, baby. It's okay. Don't be afraid. We have a bunch of feral kids down here. So you see that big ass yellow house over there? That big ass yellow house has to be completely rendered as well. Oh my god, I hear a baby cat. I need to walk away from here. A bunch of feral cats. Anyway, so I need to make a quote for that. Also, on this weekend we're gonna have a trial run in the mountains, which means that like people from all around the world gonna come over and run a 16K marathon kind of thing in the mountains of Egina, in like volcanic trails and shit. It's like very treacherous. So I'm gonna be on site of that. Sorry. I'm gonna be on that site. Make sure nobody dies, nobody breaks a leg or starts a rock slide or anything like that. That's what I'm gonna do this weekend. And next week, I'm gonna lay some artificial grass in the mornings and gonna do some soap dishes, because I have set up a shooting stage, or how do you say, an area where you shoot videos in your home? well, studio kind of. It's not a studio. I just set up a desk in my office with like pretty much good lighting, so I can do some proper videos, or kind of proper videos like Daniel Cooper does, you know, right? He's an inspiration to us all. Yes, that's gonna be next week, because I can do actually some proper resin work now that the temperature is like down to 25 degrees or so. And yep, so I'm gonna do some stuff like that. You know, I will try to recreate Wendy's Fire Girls ink drop resin art. I will try to do everything I promised I will do. So I have a bunch of post-its on my desk I need to do. So yeah, I'm gonna get to that. So yeah, thanks guys for hanging in there with me, and yeah, I expect some more videos coming. Thanks. Bye.